Social Science class, Political Science, Chapter 3, International Relations with the Other Countries, or India's Relationship with the Other Countries, Chapter. My dear students, today, very important relationship with the other countries. A family can never prosper without interacting with the another family. Similarly, a country can never progress without interacting with another country. Why today India's relationship with the other countries needed? Because in this globalized and modernized environment, it is inevitable for country to have relationship with another country. In fourth part of our constitution under Article 51, international peace and coexistence is explained. It is discussed under directive principles of the state policy. What is directive principles of state policy? Directive principles of state policy means certain guidelines to state governments by central government. India strive to have cordial relationship with other countries as per the directions of the constitution. Now, India relationship with other countries, especially neighboring countries, India and China. We know that China is a big country which borders India. Question: describe the relationship between India and China from Sindhu River civilization till recent times. So, asking question. Answer is very simple. Goes back to Mesopotamian and Sindhu River civilization, acceptance of Buddhism in China, okay. Next point, business relationship with between different rulers, discussion of China's silk in Kautilya's Arthashastra. Kautilya Arthashastra explain our trade relations with China, especially silk trade. And next, Panchashila principles. Next, Tibetan crisis or problems. War in 1962, border disputes, Arunachal Pradesh dispute, BRICS nations. So these are the important points. So asking question, describe the relationship between India and China from Sindhu River civilization till recent times. Now, India-China relations. So, in what occasions India-China relations strained are not good, not cordial? Answer is, the insistence of China that Arunachal Pradesh belongs to it is one of the main bone of contentions between the two countries, that is India and China. In spite of the border disputes and wars, the bilateral relationship between India and China has remained and continued healthy. Suppose question asked you, how the relationship between India and China now try to improve? Now India and China relations are improved through the, so first of all, both countries have highest population. Both are identified as the leading economies of the world. India has established good trade relationship with China after 1980s. This has further cemented its relationship. With the continued efforts of India and China, BRICS group, BRICS means Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. This BRICS group of countries has been established. This further strengthened the relationship between India and China. Now, come back to India-Pakistan relationship. India and Pakistan are the closed neighboring countries. Pakistan is the only a neighboring country but was an integral part of India during pre-independent period or before 1947. After the independence of 1947, India and Pakistan, two states or two countries created, and also Pakistan also became independent sovereign country. After the independence, foreign relationship between both countries started. India and Pakistan issues or problems are main terrorism. So Pakistan unnecessarily encouraged terrorism against India, and also Jammu Kashmir issue is continuous since from 1947. This is serious problem. One more problem is water sharing disputes, and other problems also existed between India and Pakistan. Both countries have fought more than three wars, in order to improve the bilateral ties between both the countries. Many agreements are signed. So important agreements to improve both the conditions or relationship between India and Pakistan are Tashkent Agreement in the leadership of Russia, and Shimla Agreement, Lahore Bus Yatra during the Vajpayee period, Agra Conference during the Indira Gandhi period have been entered. But agreements like these have yielded very less. This is because in spite of all these bilateral talks, Pakistan attacks on Indian Parliament House in 2001, Mumbai attack in 2007, Pathankot attack in 2016 have continued affecting the quality of the bilateral relationships. India and Pakistan have clashed over the years about Jammu and Kashmir issue. There are few similarities between two countries. Both countries share common cultural and economic ties, and the mutual exchanges in both the fields have continued. The mutual trade relationship have continued ever since independence. Similarly, both have responded to each other's needs during emergency and occurrence of natural calamities like earthquake, tsunami, and other drought and etc. Now, one more, the major very powerful country relationship with Russia. India has cordial relationship with Russia. It had similar relationship with the United Socialist Soviet Russia, USSR. Even though India followed non-aligned policy, this was initiated by Jawaharlal Nehru, it had good relationship with Russia in the field of economics, politics, and other areas also. USSR, Union Soviet Socialist Republic Russia, had opposed China's invasion of India in 1962. During the Goa liberation, Russia full supported to India to liberation of Goa in 1962. USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan in 1966. And also in 1971, India and USSR signed an agreement for the 20 years for peace and cooperation. Union Soviet Socialist Republic had supported for the establishment of Bhilai and Bokaro iron steel plants. India has taken major support from Russia to improve its industries and technology also. Russia has extended its support to India's quest for permanent seat in the UN Security Council since 1947. Now, India relationship with the USA. India and USA are democratic countries and are also big countries in the world. In the present international scenario, both USA and India have played very major role to play. The relationship between both countries have found a few major shifts have since 1947 during the bipolar world of Cold War era. After the Second World War, during the Cold War time, India had maintained equal distance between Russia and USA because they had between conflicts the Cold War. That's why India followed non-alignment policy. USA has supported a lot to India's 5-year plans and also gave financial support to development of 5-year plans and etc. USA has extended its support during Indo-China War of 1965 and full support it to India against China. But later, the political leader of the USA extended their support to Pakistan during the war between India and Pakistan. So, in this time, the clash and also even strained started between India and USA. Many a times, the foreign policy of USA has been anti-Indian and pro-Pakistan created. Interestingly, both India and USA have shared interest in controlling terrorism in this world. India enjoys better relationship with the USA in the fields of foreign trade, science and technology, space science, education, and other areas of mutual interest also. Both the countries share mutual responsibility strengthening UNO, maintenance of global peace. India keeps observing the policy shift in two parties of USA, Democratic and Republican parties in two important political parties in USA, but India adjusts its policies in accordance to it. In addition to this, India continue cordial relationship with close neighboring countries like Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal, Maldives, Afghanistan, Indonesia, and other countries. Thank you, my dear students. So far, we have discussed about India relations with other countries. Thank you.